English shadowing practice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English shadowing practice with Miss Layla. I'm so happy you're here.
English shadowing practice. Lesson 10. At the hotel. Let's practice. Hello. I have a reservation. One more time. Hello. I have a reservation. Welcome. May I have your name, please? One more time. Welcome. May I have your name, please? My name is Emma Smith. One more time. My name is Emma Smith. Let me check your reservation. One more time. Let me check your reservation. Yes, we have your room ready. One more time. Yes, we have your room ready. Could I see your passport, please? One more time. Could I see your passport, please? Here is your room key. Your room is on the 3rd floor. One more time. Your room is on the 3rd floor. What time is breakfast? One more time. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning. One more time. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning. Is there Wi-Fi in the room? One more time. Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Yes, the Wi-Fi password is on the desk. One more time. Yes, the Wi-Fi password is on the desk. Thank you for your help. One more time. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. One more time. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Excellent work. You did an amazing job today. Every time you practice, you become a little more confident. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking English every day. Thank you for practicing with me. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Miss Layla for more English shadowing practice lessons.